I picked out everybody's guns today based on their personalities. Don gets an AK. I think it's very evident why he's a human version of an AK. Shannon's Uzi, right? Is really super weapon. She's not Jewish, but has the same vibe about her, I think, as an Uzi. Just like, where did that come from?
I broke the shooting range.
Bethany, 12-gauge shotgun, full of power. You know what I mean? Like, small thing packs a lot of power, just like a shotgun. Myself, I got the Saw, which apparently is the most masculine gun. It's the most impressive one to shoot, and if you can handle it, it's the one that shows that you're a man of the highest level.
Oh, that was the best feeling of my entire life.
Will got the 22 because that's what he can handle. That's what Will can handle is a 22, and I didn't want to overwhelm him and scare him, let alone give him any impression that he deserved something better than that.
It's fun.